Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make your purchasing decisions easier, funnier, and occasionally questionable. Today, we're lifting off with two high-flying contenders in the drone arena. On the left, we have the Hiterbo drone with 1080p camera. Let's just call it Hiterbo, because who has time for long names? And on the right, the Dirk Drone D70, or simply Dirk, because we're too cool for full names. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about those cameras. Both our drones come with 1080p cameras, but there's a twist. The Hiterbo's camera can be manually adjusted to capture those epic skateboarding fails or inspect your roof, because who needs a ladder anyway? Reviewers appreciate the camera quality for its good photos and videos, although some mention a bit of lag. Meanwhile, Dirk boasts a 1080 PhD Wi-Fi camera that lets you share your family's fun moments in real time. Reviewers note that while the camera quality isn't top-notch, it's decent for the price. So, if you want to capture your cousin's embarrassing dance moves and share them instantly, Dirk might just be your new best friend. Next, we have battery life. Hiterbo offers two rechargeable batteries, each giving you about 12 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love this feature for extended playtime, making it perfect for both kids and adults. Dirk, on the other hand, didn't brag about battery life, but it does offer a plethora of fun features. Reviewers mention that the battery life is close to the advertised 11 minutes, and that the drone performs well despite multiple crashes. So if you're more into flips than flight time, Dirk's your guy. But remember, more flips mean less flight time for both drones. It's a flip-flop situation, quite literally. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty: ease of use. Hiterbo is perfect for beginners, with features like altitude hold, 3D flip, and headless mode. Plus, it's so easy to operate that even your grandma could fly it. Just don't blame us if she crash lands it into the neighbor's yard. Reviewers highlight its user-friendly controls and ease of flying, even for children. Dirk, however, takes it up a notch with one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. It even promises you'll learn to fly in just 10 minutes. Reviewers agree, noting its simplicity and quick learning curve. So if you have the attention span of a goldfish, Dirk's got you covered. Let's talk fun features. Because who buys a drone just to take boring aerial shots? Hiterbo offers voice control and trajectory flight, but you have to disconnect the remote and use the app. It's like trying to pat your head and rub your belly at the same time. Reviewers enjoy these features, but note the complexity of switching controls. Dirk, on the other hand, has multifunctions like tap fly, voice control, gesture selfie, throw to go, 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. Basically, it's the drone equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. Reviewers rave about the array of features and how they add to the fun. If you're looking for a drone that can do everything except make you breakfast, Dirk is the one. Lastly, portability. Hiterbo is great for those who love a quick setup. No manual pairing required, just turn it on and go. Reviewers appreciate its compact design and ease of transport. Dirk, however, folds up to the size of your palm. Yes, you heard that right. It's like the drone version of Ant-Man. You can even fit it in your pocket, which is perfect if you want to impress your friends with your pocket-sized flying machine. Reviewers love its portability and the convenience of its foldable design. Overall, reviewers find the Hiterbo drone to be durable, easy to use, and perfect for beginners, especially children. It offers good camera quality and extended battery life, making it a solid choice for family fun. On the other hand, the Dirk Drone D70 is praised for its feature-rich design, intuitive controls, and portability. making it ideal for those who want a versatile and fun drone experience. So which drone is the winner? If you're all about capturing and sharing fun moments instantly, Dirk is your go-to. But if you want a drone that's super easy to operate and perfect for beginners, Hiterbo is your best bet. Either way, both drones are priced at $79, so your wallet won't hate you. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest and sometimes the funniest buying decisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Fly high, smart shoppers! Product links are in the description.